Hey there, hi again. This is Josh Cramer, Director of Education Workforce Development here at the America Makes booth here at Rapid plus TCT. I have with me Katherine from Ultimaker, a fantastic member and partner, not only of America Makes, but here at the Educational Workforce Development portfolio. Katherine, we had a chance to stop up and see your booth a little bit ago yesterday. A lot of exciting, busy up there. All kinds of great stuff. You want to take a minute just to introduce yourself and a little bit about Ultimaker?
Sure. Thank you, Josh. So my name is Katherine Scarpellini. I'm with Ultimaker. And I've actually been in the industry for a number of years, but joined Ultimaker a few months ago. And yeah, this has been a great show for us. A lot of excitement. We've got 3D printer, hardware, software, materials on display. A lot of interest in, really what additive can do for companies and schools. It's an exciting time to be in additive. Like the show has grown so much over the years, and it just gets busier and busier. So.
Yeah, I mean, obviously exciting. I mean, obviously we've been America Makes celebrating our 10th birthday. Obviously Rapid, this morning we were meeting with SME and kicking off the day, obviously 30 years in Rapid. It's really fantastic to see such a busy Rapid as well. And so obviously a lot of exciting things going on. You mentioned education as one of those pieces. We were talking with some folks earlier this morning about that as well. An exciting partnership obviously coming up with us in the education portfolio that Ultimaker has been dedicated to is the education environment. And so obviously we're going to work a little bit together as well to get an opportunity to leverage Ultimaker printing assets, printers and materials and training and all those kind of great things with America Makes education assets. And so we're going to do a focus around the whole United States, all focused on not only getting girls involved in STEM education, but also focused on underserved communities, underrepresented groups and those kind of things. Katherine, can you talk a little bit about the importance of girls in STEM education, girls in 3D printing and additive and those kind of things as well?
Yeah, absolutely. That is a huge focus for us at Ultimaker. We really want to educate, bring in students at a young age and get them exposed to 3D printing and additive. And with girls and with STEM engineering, it's important. They are the future of the world, and this is a great opportunity to help inspire them to be creative, to innovate, and tackle a lot of the challenges with the skills gap that we have now. So we're really committed to supporting education, and this is a great partnership with America Makes, so we're really excited to see what happens and what we can do together.
Yeah, certainly. I mean, it's one of the dedications of ours, right? I mean, we're K to gray, truly working all the way down in K1, 2, all the way up to reskill and upskill, working in programs of the Department of Defense. I mean, this is a critical piece for us, right? Because a lot of schools, a lot of education community partners, a lot of times they need the validated, industry vetted content first and foremost, but being able to pair that with truly validated quality printers, obviously from Ultimaker, and the support that comes with that has been tremendous, right? And we've been really working with a number of partners already kind of anticipating this announcement, which has been very exciting. And folks are just, they're pumped, right? And I mean, we know that as an industry in manufacturing, we know females are, 18%. It's not enough.
Right.
I mean, it really just is not enough. And I think this stretches a long way to get us to, one, build the awareness and the opportunity that exists across the industry and those kind of things, really open the door for those types of conversations as well. Certainly super excited to talk through this. I mean, what's next for Ultimaker? I mean, obviously big in the education market and those kind of things. I see some kind of cool stuff up there in the booth that I don't know what it is. Can you talk like what's next? What's on the horizon for Ultimaker?
Yeah, so for those that don't know, we are a printer hardware, software, and materials provider. So we work with a lot of ecosystem partners to open up the breadth of applications and address a lot of different challenges out there. So we have an open material system that allows us to partner with different material providers, and that's what really makes us unique. And yeah, we just announced our new Cura 5.0 slicing software, which is highly anticipated, and the early feedback is incredible, right? So we've got a huge user base of Cura users that use the slicing software for a lot of different printers, not only our own, but others as well. So we've got the new software, and we've got some new add-on equipment that will just make your workflow much easier. So getting a part out in your hands will be much quicker than having to do things in a more manual way. So we've got add-on equipment, the software, and the other big thing that we are showcasing are metal 3D printing. So most people will know us as a polymer printer provider, but we also can print in metal. So really opens up a lot of different opportunities, and a lot of people are surprised that we can do this. So it's great to be able to showcase that here and what we can do.
Yeah, and I think the software piece is really interesting too, right? I mean, we kind of like, and just in happenstances, we talked through this partnership, and obviously becoming a member and those kind of things. I mean, we were developing micro-learning modules for middle school and high school and adults, and we used Cura, because it was something from the subject matter experts coming back to us as one of those benchmarks in industry. So it was really cool to be able to embed that into the micro-learning opportunity for students, and obviously those will be one of these assets that go out, paired with these printers for students and those kind of things. But Katherine, obviously super appreciate you coming by. I always end all of these with a cool little gift. So we provided with you kind of a cup for some cold lemonade on a nice day down there in Florida. There's a cool luggage tag for when you're traveling and those kind of things, the 3D printed pen, all that kind of fun stuff. So
awesome.
We really appreciate you being a member of America Makes. The partnership's going to be awesome. Stay tuned, for that press release to hit the stream. So we're looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Josh. Thank you for having me. This is great.
Thanks.